Most drivers know how frustrating it is when you're left wondering what happened after an incident or when parking damage occurs, and your vehicle's dashcam didn't catch it. If you've ever wished for a dashcam that can capture every moment in ultra-crisp detail, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're reviewing the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus 4K dashcam, designed to deliver high-quality footage with cutting-edge features. Let's dive into the specs and what makes this dashcam stand out in a crowded market. The BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD front camera, boasting a 146-degree wide angle, which helps you capture more of the road. It records in 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160 at 30 FPS, offering super sharp clarity for both day and night. Plus, it comes with STARVIS 2 CMOS sensor technology, delivering excellent low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range for those night drives or tricky lighting conditions. In addition to high-resolution video, this dashcam features parking mode with battery protection. When wired to your car's fuse panel, it switches to parking mode automatically once your vehicle is off, keeping an eye on your car while it's parked. It also monitors the vehicle's battery, automatically shutting down to prevent battery drain when the voltage drops below a certain point, which can be customized via the BlackVue app. The device connects seamlessly with the BlackVue app via Wi-Fi, making it super easy to manage your footage, live stream, or update settings. You can also opt for cloud backup with the BlackVue cloud system, meaning that with internet access, the dashcam will auto-upload critical events so you'll have them stored safely off your device. Included in the package are both a cigarette lighter adapter for quick setup and a hardwiring cable for a more permanent installation, especially for the parking mode feature. You also have the option to connect the CM100G LTE module for cloud-enabled features, so you're always connected to your car's security, even when you're not nearby. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: 4K UHD resolution, captures ultra-clear footage. STARVIS 2 sensor, excellent low-light performance. Parking mode with battery protection, keeps your vehicle safe even when you're not around. Seamless app integration, easy setup and management through the BlackVue app. Cloud features, secure, automatic event uploads for peace of mind. Cons: price. At the higher end of the market, it might not be the best for budget-conscious buyers. LTE module required for cloud features. Not all features are available without the additional LTE module, which is an extra cost. Installation. Some users might find hardwiring a bit tricky, though the app provides easy-to-follow instructions. In terms of build quality, the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus is solidly built, with a sleek, compact design that blends well with most vehicle interiors. The materials used are durable, and long-term reviews have praised its performance. Though, as with all tech, there are occasional reports of compatibility issues when connecting to the app. When compared to competitors, this model offers superior video quality and cloud features. However, products like the ThinkWare U1000 offer similar 4K resolution but might be more affordable, though without the same app features and cloud integration. If you're in the market for high-end features, though, the DR970X is a solid contender. Who it's for? This dashcam is perfect for those who want top-tier video quality and peace of mind, whether you're a daily commuter or a frequent traveler. If you're looking for advanced cloud backup and excellent low-light performance, this might be the dashcam for you. Conclusion: strong option. If you prioritize high-resolution footage, excellent low-light performance, and cloud-based security features, the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus is a top choice in its class. It offers peace of mind, whether you're driving or parked. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give us a like and hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve on the best auto tech reviews out there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear about your experiences with dashcams. Until next time, stay autovated and keep driving smart.